Samosa is a popular dish in South Asia. This delicious triangular dish is made with flour or maida, along with potatoes and served with chutney. So today, let us all know together the history of samosas. Samosa originated in northern India, and then it gradually became popular throughout India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and also in the surrounding areas. It is also believed that samosa came to India from the Middle East and gradually got colored in India, and some historians say that samosa appeared as a dish in Central Asia in the 10th century. Samosa reached India through traders in the 13th century. The great poet Amir Khusro has mentioned at one place that during the Delhi Sultanate, samosa with meat and deep-fried in ghee was a favorite dish of the members of the royal family and the rich. Ibn Battuta, who visited India in the 14th century, while giving the account of the court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, wrote that during the meal in the court, delicious samosa prepared by stuffing spicy meat, peanuts and almonds was served, which people ate with great gusto. Not only this, samosas are also mentioned in the 16th century Mughal period document Ain-e-Akbari. This journey of samosas has been very unique. Even though the age of samosa has increased, there has not been any change in its triangular shape in the last 1,000 years. Today, even though samosas are available in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian forms, there is no comparison to potato samosas, and it is liked the most. After this, samosas with cheese and dry fruits are preferred. Now even sweet samosas are available in the market. The real fun of samosa lies in deep frying it, but in Western countries where people prefer less fried food, people like to eat it by baking it. India is a country of diversity, so in every province the specialties of that region also get added to samosas. Potato samosas are popular in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, while non-vegetarian samosas are more popular in Goa. Punjabi samosas are very spicy, while for those who like Chinese cuisine, samosas filled with noodles are also available. To capitalize on the craze for samosas among both children and adults, many multinational companies are also offering it in the market as frozen food. This was some information about samosas. The history of samosas is not today, but is almost hundreds of years old from today, which is still popular among the people in such a way that it seems to be the most favorite breakfast of the people in India for many decades to come, or in. Other words for centuries shall remain.